In the name of God. Hello, it's our YouTube channel Binary Option Smart. Please subscribe us. In previous session, I taught you how to work with Bollinger Band indicator. But in charts, in all of candles, as you see, we have a specific and a unique Bollinger Band number, as you see here. Each candle has their own one, as you see. But in previous session I teach you how to work with the last candle Bollinger Band, the last one. So if you want the other one, you can change it with, let me show you an indicator. You can use this element, BBA, Bollinger Bands Array. BBA, let me show you here. All of the things is similar to the Bollinger Band, the simple Bollinger Band, but this is the array, and it gave us the array of Bollinger Bands. For example, the upper, and I duplicate it if you don't know what this is, and you can check the previous session, the episode 13 of deriv learning. I taught them on that session. So I insert the input list, open candle of interval. As you know, period is 10 and 5 is okay. So I want to show you what's this, but because it's array, I have to change it to the text to show you what's this. I change it to the text. If my computer help me, set text and the variables, which variables? BBA. I find it, BBA, and now I can notify it. I need just notify, and which one? The text one. Find the text on variables with, for example, green. Can I disable this block? There is out of blocks and doesn't run. Set the BBA with upper and the list. Let's check the it, but I need to scroll up. As you see here, we have the array of upper Bollinger Bands of 1000 candles on charts. I will show you the three of them. Let me reset it. As you know from previous sessions, we can get, for example, three of this array. Let's show you with list. list of BBA, find the variable in list BBA, get from end, for example the candle number 3. In this BBA I get from end the 3, the candle number 3, and notify with green. Let me run it. As you see here, bots give us a number. Let's check it. I hope doesn't change. Yes, 7271.807. as you see here, the candle number 3, the upper Bollinger Band is here. So if you want, use these in your strategy. For example, let me show you with a simple strategy. As you know, you must doesn't use this in your real account because all of them are an educational strategy. Let me duplicate it and use this. If you don't know it, you have to watch the previous session, is episode number 13. If the last tick upper than the BBA of candle number 3, purchase fall. As you see here, if the price is upper than the upper Bollinger Band of candle number 3, purchase fall. As you see here, the bot can't open the trade. Let's check it. Let me close it and just this condition. But doesn't trade. As you see here, just notification the candle number 3. Why? Because the last tick doesn't upper than the upper Bollinger Band of it. And if I change it to lower, the bot must open trade because our price is under. Yes, purchase lower. As we said here, our price was under Bollinger Band of candle number 3 and bot open the trade. You can change these by yourself and as your strategy. I just want in this session teach you how to work with the Bollinger Bands array. You can use everything that you want. For example, candle 500. If you want this, the Bollinger Band of this candle, you can use. As you know, this is our YouTube channel, Binary Option Smart. Please subscribe us. If you have any question, you can ask on comments. Find us on social medias, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. Thank you for watching.